Hello everyone, dear students. Now we start our business communication. So our today's topic is some functions of business communication and main important topic, that is process of communication. Okay, so business communication and its functions, they are divided into two categories. One is internal functions and second one is external functions. Internal functions is related to our internal management, as like in main important function, that is the information of management. Yeah, information to management, what information we given to management about policies, what policies should management is adopted, as like the information of management, it is very important. Then information to employees, yeah, information of employees, how our employees can treat in business, which environment we can provide to our employees, that are also effective in these functions. Then coordination is a main important part, कि what is the coordination between our employees and employee, they both are coordination with their efforts. So coordination is also an important part. Then as like internal functions, as like some external functions, to provide information to concern of business, what are the information we should concern of our business. Then information to government, which what policies our governments are taking to our business, what policies we should adopted in our business. Then how to receive goods and services, where we can receive our goods and services, how can we sell our goods and services to sales goods and services, this is also an external part of business communication. Then relation with suppliers, that is a very important part. Relation with supplier, कि how can we treat with our supplier, and can supplier give raw material within a specific time or right time or not. So relation with supplier is also a main important part. Then information to other parties ki which are belongs to our business. Okay, so they are some functions of business communication. The main important topic that today we discuss about, that is process of communication, right? So I can write some headings, ki what is the process of this communication, when it's start, how can it start, and how can it end. Okay, so we can start process of communication. Process of communication. Okay, process of communication, it is a very important part, ki developing idea, number one stage, and developing idea by which, by the sender. So first important step is our sender. Okay, this is a very important part. Sender start the process of business communication process, and it is the first stage of communication, develops on the idea to be sent, and it is also known as the planning stage. So sender is a very important party, very important our in our process of communication, first step. Then second one is, it is also belongs to sender, that is called encoding. Encoding, right? So encoding means converting of translations the idea into a pre-receivables form that can be communications to others. Encoding, right? And this encoding is refers to sender, it is belongs with sender. Then third stage is developing the message. Developing the message. Okay, developing the message. So it is a very important part, key process in the communication, that can be, that developing the message, it can be oral, it can be written, symbolic, or non-verbal. For example, if we can say ki when people talk speech a message, when people write a message, or he can verbally, non-verbally, someone says passing smiles, cries. So they are all the forms of examples ki developing the message, how can we develop the message. Then fourth important part of this process of communication is selecting the media. It is a very important part. Selecting the media. Selecting the media. Okay. Selecting the media. So medium means is the channel of means of the transmitting the message to the receiver. Right. The medium of communication can be speaking, writing, gesturing the message. Communication has the following channels. अभी selecting the media में आपके बहुत channels आ जाएंगे. We can say several channels as like print media, you know, newspaper, advertisement, books, diaries, etc. Okay. Then as like electronic media, they all are the part of selecting the media. Electronic media, radio, TV, etc. Traditional media, transmission of messages. The sender actually the transmission the message through to chosen these all medias. Okay, as like print media, electronic media, or traditional media, all which you can select. It is your depends upon your wish. Then fifth important part is receiving the message by the receiver. या हम रिसीवर भी लिख सकते हैं, या रिसीविंग द मैसेज, रिसीविंग द मैसेज बाय द रिसीवर. Receiving the message by the receiver. So it means that this stage simply involved from reception of sender message by the receiver. Sender ने जो message दिया, sender send the message to the receiver. तो sender's message, receiver, the message can be received in the form of hearing, seeing, feeding, and shown as like which media you can select. So receiving the message through sender to the receiver. Okay. Then receiver is related to, this receiver is related to, वाइट बोर्ड ही खराब कर रखा है ना, तो चलेगा ही कहाँ से. डिकोडिंग. डिकोडिंग. You should always learn कि always remember कि sender is encoding is always related to sender and decoding is always related to our receiver. So receiver decoding is the receiver interpretation of the sender's message. What he should interpret it. The receiver converts the message into thoughts and tries to analyze and understand it. Okay, that is decoding. Then lastly, that is important part, it is this process of communication. That is feedback. It is a very important part. Feedback. Feedback, the final step of process of this communication is called feedback. Feedback means कि receiver response to sender's message. It increases the effectiveness of message. It ensures correctly understood the message कि what should he or she understand correct. So feedback is also important part. Without feedback we cannot say कि our process is fully finished or not. So these all are our process of communication, and we should remember that they all are is in this form. Or which media, I again repeat कि sender, it is also important, and sender gives an idea. Sender is encoding is related to sender is encoding. Then developing message, selecting the media के parts we can mention. फिर receiving the message by the receiver means first is your receiver के बाद then decoding, receiver decode the message कि what he should understand, what sender is say what he understand, and lastly feedback, what feedback he or she provide in this communication process. Okay, so thank you so much. Today's topic is our this process of communication. Okay, so finally our process of communication is in this 7 steps. I can understand you, explain you. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you so much.